Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you all are well. Professionally, let me introduce myself. I'm Linda Supriyatin with number ID 2008918 from class 2C PGSD. In this video, I will briefly review the learning material in English education courses from the first to 7 meetings. My goal in making this video is to fulfill assessment in English education courses. Okay, let's start with the material. Let's go. The first material is about the part of speech. What is a part of speech? Part of speech are words that are combined in one sentence where the word has a different function in its usage. This means that some word can be a noun in one sentence and a verb or adjective in the next. Part of speech is divided into 9 types. The first one is verb. Verbs are words that are used to denote the action taken. This verb is divided into 2. The first one, action verb, which means that the verb requires activity or action. For example, I will run, jump, and skip down the track. Then the second, not action verb, which means a verb that does not require activity. Example, such as remembering. Next, there is an adverb. Adverb is a word whose function is to describe the verb, adjective, or adverb itself. Example of words such as quickly, silently, will, badly, very, really, and others. Meanwhile, example sentence like he was very hungry. The word very here indicates the description. Then the third is the noun. Nouns are words that are used to denote nouns, place, name of people, animals, and countries. For example, Miss Sinta who wants to go to Malaysia this weekend. Where did Miss Sinta denote a person name, and the word Malaysia denotes a state noun. Next, the fourth is pronoun. Pronoun is a word that functions as a noun or other pronouns. Usually, pronouns are used to replace the subject. Example include the word I, he, she, you, and some. Pronouns are divided into 3, namely personal pronouns, possessive personal pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. Next is the 5 adjectiva. It is an adjectiva which gives a description of the noun. Example, big, good, well. If coupled with sentence, for example, the baby is so cute. Next, there are conjunction. It's an conjunction in a paragraph or sentence. For example, and, but, when. The 7 has preposition. It's a word that aims to connect nouns with other words in a sentence. For example, to, at, after, on, against, over, and others. Then the 8 is the interjection. An interjection is a word that is added to a sentence to convey emotion. For example, oh, hey! And the last one is determiner. Determiner is a word that serves to limit or determine a noun, usually also called a number. For example, a, and, the, some, and money. Furthermore, the descriptive text material. At the third meeting, discussed descriptive text and made a descriptive text product about yourself and the inspiring character. In the descriptive text, there are several sections that are the main discussion, namely regarding personal identification, activities such as profession, habitual hobbies. Then, there are general physically and personal appearance, typical personality or performance, like and dislike, and the last one, namely reason. Then the next material about to be, am, is, are. To be is an auxiliary word that is usually included in a sentence. In this to be, am, is, are, where am is here, used for singular first-person subject. For example, like the word I. Meanwhile, the past form of am is was, which is usually paired with the subject I. For example, I am become I was. Is used when the subject is in third person singular. For example, she, he, it. The past tense of is was is paired with the subject he, she, it, and the person names. Are used if the subject is plural. For example, they, we can also be used for the second person singular. For example, you. The past form of are is were paired with the subject you, we, and they, and the name of the plural people. Then the next material is about do and does. Do actually verb for I, you, they, we. Meanwhile, does actually verb for he, she, it. Likewise, these two things when applied to the negative sentence don't and does not. And the last one is the making of a digital poster about descriptive text of people who inspire. Furthermore, presenting the result of the poster in front of the class. Okay, that is the material that I convey. I hope that what I convey can be of use to you. Sorry if there are mistakes in word and speech. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.